welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to bring you an inspired look from the live action movie Aladdin. There's a scene that I seen on the internet where Jasmine has this fuchsia, gold, and turquoise outfit, but her makeup is very bronzy and sun-kissed. So even though I do not have a tan, I still wanted to try to pull off this look, so keep on watching. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna prime my face, and then I'm going in with the foundation. I'll list all the products that I'm gonna be using down below. Next, I'm going to be applying the concealer. And I'm going to be applying a cream contour. I'm going to be using the LA Color Contour Stick. Brush and just blend out the concealer first. Now I'm going to use my blending brush to blend in the contour. And next I'm going to be applying the loose face powder. Some face powder all over my face just to set everything. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do the contour now with the powder as well. I just want to really warm up my look, seeing as I don't have a tan. Seeing as I don't have a tan, I just want to warm up my look, because in the picture that I seen Jasmine, she has a very sun-kissed look. So I'm gonna try and attempt it without having a tan. Okay, next I'm going to be applying this color here. As you can see, it's very shimmery, basically a bronzer. I'm gonna apply a highlighter. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown. And then I'm gonna be applying some blush. I'm gonna be using this color right here. So guys, I'm gonna be using this palette. I purchased this at Primark. They have a makeup section. I'm going to be using this palette because it has all of these awesome like metallic-y tones and also matte tones. I'm first going to go in with Mirage, which is this color right here, and then Sahara. Using this brush, and I'm going to apply the same color underneath my eyes. I'm going to be using this color right here. It's like a copper color. I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. gonna go in with this color right here at the corner of the eyes just to make it more smokier. Okay, next I'm gonna be applying some of this gold right here. I use this brush. And then I'm gonna be going in with this color right here, and I'm gonna apply some of it right here. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild black eyeshadow in the color Panther. Alright guys, so next I'm going to be going in with this color, and I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara. So guys, I'm gonna go in with this color, and I want to apply underneath my eyes. I'm going to also do my eyebrows, but I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. Put some Vaseline on my lips. And I'm going to be going in with the LA Colors lipstick in the color Sherbert. And then I'm going to finish it off with the LA Color Shiny Lip Gloss in the color Twinkle. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post videos. Until next time guys, bye! Mwah!